Welcome. In this video, you'll learn step by step how to prevent notifications for channels on the Telegram app for PC after the latest update. If you're tired of getting constant pings from channels that flood your screen, this guide will help you silence them quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your desktop. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your settings. Once the app is open, take a look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see three horizontal lines. They're the menu icon. Click on those lines to open the main menu. Now, from the menu that appears, click on Settings. This is where you can manage your preferences for privacy, chat behavior, and of course, notifications. Once you've entered the settings section, look for and select notifications and sounds. Here you'll find all the options related to how Telegram alerts you for new messages, groups, and channels. Scroll through the list until you see the section labeled Channels. This is the part that controls when Telegram notifies you about new posts from channels you follow. To stop receiving notifications from channels, simply disable the channels option. You can do this by clicking or toggling off the switch next to it. Once it's turned off, Telegram will no longer send you any pop-up notifications, sounds, or alerts from any channels. That's it. You've successfully disabled channel notifications on Telegram for your